All right, Abhishek. So as you know that I've been traveling a lot lately, and one thing I've been dying for is the Indian food. So thank you for inviting me here, but I have my concerns because all I see here are some raw vegetables and not actual food. So what's happening?
So I'm gonna cook for you today using this device right over here.
So are you gonna cook, or is the device that's gonna cook?
I'm gonna assist basically, but this is the main chef, the star over here.
So it's the chef. You're the sous chef.
Yeah.
What's the name of the chef?
The name of the chef is Appliance AI. This is the second generation of the Appliance model. So it has some cool tricks.
But like, listen, when you tell me this, I have serious doubts because I am somebody who like to cook my own meals and I don't trust a lot of machines with food. And here you're telling me this thing is gonna do end-to-end preparation. And I mean, what's it even gonna cook for us today?
We are gonna cook Matar Paneer.
Okay, I am a little concerned.
Okay, trust me, but this is a better cook than you. So this is Appliance 2.0 and this is an all-in-one solution for your kitchen needs. If you are lazy, if you do not have time, or you are a bad cook.
I know why you like this now.
Oh, the lack of time is the main thing for me.
Three things that sum you up. Lazy, bad cook.
Okay.
I don't know what the third was.
Okay, so this device can cook over 750 dishes. That includes Indian dishes, some international cuisines as well, Italian, like South Indian, anything that you want, this can cook.
Okay, so now if I want to, let's say, cook Matar Paneer, which we are doing today,
Yeah.
what I need to do, I mean, how does this work? So I need to connect this thing to something. I mean, obviously there's a power source which I see, but like if there's some sort of internet connection, Wi-Fi that you need.
So you can see this as a mixer on steroids because it has a display right over here. It of course connects through Wi-Fi and you get all the ingredients of whatever.
So the entire recipe, basically, if I want to make Matar Paneer, I'll just go and type Matar Paneer and
yes,
I'll
and
see
get everything right over here.
Which I can see here, like there are, I mean, the cook time is there. It shows all the ingredients that we need, like refined oil,
process as well,
jeera, hing, everything. There is, I mean, it also shows the calories of what we're gonna cook, right? Okay, and there's a video which shows the whole process. Okay, so that is pretty self-explanatory.
The good thing is, if you are like diet conscious like me, then of course you can cook. Then of course you can cook low oil food or maybe high protein paneer if you want that.
So same meal or the same recipe that you are doing, but with like different for different needs.
Yes,
basically,
yes.
Right? Yeah. So, there's also kids friendly option there. Okay,
yeah,
so that's interesting. Yeah.
So let's say for right now we'll just go for the classic option.
Okay.
And I think we should start.
All right.
The first step is to add oil. We'll take 1.5 large oil right over here. I think I'm a bad cook.
We'll see by the end of this.
Okay.
So even with this you can't cook well, then I
think I should quit cooking.
Oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so now the next step is to put this lid, and this also comes with the safety lock as well. So if this doesn't lock properly, the machine won't start. So this is a cool feature. Now, meanwhile, it's heating up the oil. We'll peel the garlic, onion.
Oh, so all of this you still have to do.
Yes.
So the tough parts you still have to do.
Yes, sadly yes.
Great.
So you just have to cut it into 2 pieces and then you can just...
So basically you don't have to chop it entirely.
Yeah, just peel it. Yeah. So for the onion, I was pretty sure how much 130 gram is, but these garlics, they are very small and I do not have much idea about what is the weight of these garlics. So I can just put it here and it will tell me the exact weight that I have to use. That this particular piece was 3 grams. So yeah.
What is the price of this thing?
This cost 40,000 rupees. Okay, so now it's 14 grams right over here. We'll just put it inside the jar. Tap on next. Make sure the crown is on and the chopping will start. 3, 2, 1. Now the chopping part is done. We just have to scrape these. Okay. So now the next process is a bit longer. It's a 7-minute process. It will saute for 7 minutes. And then we'll have to put in
so now the actual cooking basically starts.
Yes.
Now this is where the whole onion and garlic will be cooked
Yes.
until they turn, like how when you normally cook, you sort of saute them until they turn nice brown and it is soft. That's what's gonna happen now.
Yeah.
Right? And then we add other stuff.
Yep. Meanwhile, we can weigh just tomatoes right over here. 120 gram it says.
This is where human intelligence comes into play because if you put 1 tomato, the gravy will be so less.
169 grams. Nice. We'll go ahead with that. Again, with the chopping, the good thing is I just have to remove the top part of tomato and just cut it in 2 pieces, and that's it. So now we'll have to add masalas. So I'll just use this. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 medium spoon of salt. Then I have sugar, which we are not going to use. Do you want?
It's okay.
Okay.
I just expect some food at the end of this.
Then we have turmeric. Then we have Kashmiri mirch. So now we'll just add water. Because I have idea and I'm a professional cook, I can add it like right here.
Now while this thing prepares the gravy or the curry, we need to, in fact, Abhishek needs to peel all the peas.
You said we.
So I'll take a break, I'll grab a cup of coffee while you do this.
Okay, sir. So now all of this is done. So we'll keep this aside. It's time to cut the paneer into cubes.
This also you'll have to do.
Yes. I mean, you can put it directly, but it will make paneer bhurji. So yeah, I'm just balancing my protein intake.
Or you maybe just can't wait. Or maybe you would have loved already prepared food.
Or maybe I do not have high expectations. This is done.
Do we remove the lid?
The gravy is done. Now the final step is to put paneer and matar. And the moment.
Okay, this looks okay-ish. I mean, it's not that bad as I expected it to be. There goes paneer. Our main ingredients now.
Matar. That's it. That's the final step. Now we just have to close it and let the paneer cook. So that.
Ensure the crown is off.
Now the final step, we have to remove the crown and just wait for
I
7
like
more minutes.
how specific and precise this thing wants you to be, because now it is telling us to keep kasuri methi ready.
Yes.
This has to be most authentic in nature.
So now this is ready. We'll quickly serve it and see how Manas likes it, if he likes it or not. What is the first impression?
It looks like Matar Paneer.
Okay. There you go. You taste it.
I want to see the quantity also. Like how much did we actually make? Okay,
It's
so this
quite enough
is
for 2
good
people.
for like 2 to 3 people.
Yeah.
This should easily serve 2 to 3 people. From what I can see, I have my doubts that maybe the matar is not cooked properly, but let's just see. Let's just eat and see. It's actually not bad. I think the peas could have been cooked slightly more. What I like is the spices are like fine and the gravy is what it's supposed to be, more or less the same. I will give this 7 out of 10. Here's what I think, guys. This Appliance AI 2.0.
Yep.
For 40,000 rupees, if you are lazy, if you don't have a lot of time, if you don't like to put in a lot of effort like Abhishek, then this makes a lot of sense for you. But there is still a lot of things that you have to do. For example, we had to, I mean, you obviously have to get the ingredients, but then you have to cut them into pieces, wash them, keep them ready. And then you have to be there for the entire duration of it to like follow the process. So you'll still be investing at least 30 to 40 minutes into cooking any dish, right? So your time is still going into it. I think if I'll be making it on my own, I'll still be able to do it in 40 minutes. It's not like I'm saving a lot of time. Yes, I'm saving a bit of effort there. But tell me, Abhishek, one thing which I think is an obvious question. We made Matar Paneer. How do I eat it? Like, what do I eat it with?
Of course, you can order chapatis or whatever you want to order.
So chapatis I'll still have to make or order. Rice I'll have to still make or order.
Rice you can cook, but for chapatis it can make the dough, but again you have to make the chapatis.
I mean, you're saying so rice this thing can make.
Yes.
But it will only make it once we are done making the paneer, right?
Yes.
As compared to I can make rice and paneer simultaneously on my normal perfectly working
And you
gas
can order
stove.
2 of them. Huh?
That's exactly my point, guys, that you have, even after spending 40,000 rupees, this is not a complete solution as of now, because you may still have to make chapatis or order them from somewhere. And so I think if they can fix that as well at some point, this might still make a lot of sense. But at for 40,000 rupees, for people who are not great cooks or people who don't like to cook at all, I mean, I don't know, you guys let us know if it makes any sense to you.
I think if it would have been priced around 25,000 rupees, then it would have made perfect sense for
they could have
people
priced
like
it
me.
better.
Yeah.
So hopefully in like future we get some of them. Okay, thank you so much, Abhishek, for the food. I'll enjoy this at my own pace.
Okay.
While we move to the next segment.
And I will enjoy this. Thank you.